Alrighty guys, we're out here with the Vanpowers Manidae, a fantastic bike, man. This thing, wow. I can't say enough about how nice this is. But I am gonna say one thing about it. I guess you could say it was in the negative. I mean, you know, it is what it is. I would not recommend this bike for anybody shorter than me. I am 5'7". That is basically, to me, the minimum height of being able to ride this. Okay, this is a large bike. This is not some Jetson. Okay, this is a large vehicle. So anybody shorter than me, anybody shorter than 5'7" is going to have a difficult time getting on and off of this thing. It's like I said, it's a fantastic bike, but that's the issue with this thing as far as that goes. So the other thing is, now I put on this seat. I changed the seat. I did not like the seat on this bike, so I got this seat with this little light thing here. See, that has a light built into the seat because it doesn't have a rack back here, so you can mount the tail light or anything, or a brake light. So I ordered a rack for this a while back, and it just hasn't come yet. I guess they're out of stock. It was at least a month and a half ago I ordered it. It hasn't come in yet, but I'm sure it'll get here eventually. But yeah, we're gonna go do our 5-mile break-in ride. The only time I ever rode it was when I did the unboxing, and I rode it in the rain. And yeah, I put the seat on, and that's about it. Other than you know, I have my own little setup here, and then I put this little side view mirror on. Okay, let's just take it and do our 5-mile test. So we're gonna go do our 5 miles. That's still running, the seat with the seat that was on here with the little light built in. I thought that was kind of neat with that little light, and the seat's very comfortable. The seat that came with this thing, it was one of those like little, you know, those little Lance Armstrong looking things that those professionals use. You know, the real tiny little thing. Yeah, I wasn't digging it too much, right? So. Oh man, what a beast this thing is. What a nice ride, man. Wow. This thing is so nice. I cannot wait till this weather breaks so I can go take this on some long cruises. This pedal assist 5 is like so simple. Let's go up to Popeyes. I'm gonna turn it down some. It's too easy. Too easy to ride it on pedal assist 5. It's too simple. It's still nippy out here. It's 20, or no, 50, exactly 50, I think. Exactly 50 degrees. So in your third rate here, you're going to be getting like 22 miles an hour in the pedal assist 3 as far as speed goes. It's so easy to pedal this bike. This is nothing like 14-inch bikes, okay? So forget about it. You know, those 14-inch bikes, you just pedal, you're just spinning your wheels. This thing, you're actually accomplishing something. You're actually, you know, making forward progress, driving the thing forward by actually pedaling. So I got it in pedal assist 3. I could probably bring it down to 2. I'm just trying to get the right feel of this thing because I only actually drove it that one time. It only has the 4 miles on it. Okay, pedal assist 2. We go back up to 3. Okay. I think pedal assist 3 is where I like it the most. Yeah, pedal assist 3 I think is the sweet spot for me. Definitely. Now when that rack comes in, that rear rack, I'll be able to put my turn signal system on that I have, but you know, I have to have something to attach it to. And right now I don't have anything. Yeah, you could just go pedal assist 3 with this thing all day. You know, no sweat. And this thing glides, it coasts for a long time after you stop pedaling. So that means it probably has some good bearings in there somewhere in them wheels. Okay, so let's do a little throttling here. Oh wait, this guy's backing up down the middle of the street. Oh, I guess he wants to go through the car wash again. Okay. So we're in pedal assist 3. We're getting 24 miles an hour. Now I don't know if that has something to do with the speed or that's just the pedal assist. We'll come back this way and put it on 5 and see if the speed changes. But right now I'm getting 24. '23, 24. We'll roll it back here a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go up to 5 and hit the speed thing here. So I'm going right into the wind now, so it's a little bit slower. Yeah, so it doesn't really change the top speed. It just changes the pedal assist. So I'm getting 25. So that's what you're going to get, 25. That's going to be the top speed. You can tell this thing would go a lot faster. Okay, that's easy to tell that, because you can feel it trying to cut the motor. When it gets up to that max speed, you can feel the motor trying to, you know, cut. So. All right. What a sweet ride this is, man. Wow. Wow, is this thing nice. Yeah, you could feel it once it gets to like 24, it just kind of like stops. Oh, what a nice rider here, man. Wow, this thing is so nice. Jeez Louise, is this thing nice. Let me go back down to pedal assist 3, like I'm actually riding a bike. Ooh, the brakes on this thing are real good too. And I don't have any brake rubbing or anything on this, so yeah, definitely nice. Definitely real nice. So we're halfway through the 5 miles, and of course there's no issues, which I didn't think there would be. Even going up these hills, you know, just have this pedal assist 3. You know, I have it in the highest gear. I think I have it in the 8th gear right now. If I rolled it back, it'd be a lot easier to pedal. Wouldn't feel so cold today if it wasn't for this god-awful wind we have. Been having this terrible wind here, so. Popeyes is packed as usual. Oh yeah, I think this pedal assist 3, guys, is the way to go. I don't know what I said in the last video, but whatever it is, I changed my mind. I think pedal assist 3 is the way to go. Of course, the last video I only rode it for a couple of minutes in that rain. It was raining pretty heavily. But yeah, pedal assist 3 seems to be the sweet spot for me. Yeah, this thing here, I don't feel no clanging, no rattling, none of that stuff with this, none of that. Yeah, you get a little brake squealing here and there, but that's with anything, got to. But here I'm not feeling any of that, hearing any of that other nonsense. Okay, so I'm at 3.2. Yeah, it runs really nice, guys, really nice. Let me go up. Oh no, the gear's too low. Yeah, that's where I want it, like 7th. Pedal assist 3, 7th gear feels really nice for just riding. A real comfortable riding gear right there, where you're actually getting a workout, but you're also going at a pretty good clip. See, then when you go to hit a hill, you can pop it up. One of the pedal assists, you can bring it up. Great runner here, wow. So I go do the hill climb test over by the Monroeville Mall. We'll see what this sucker's made out of there. Anything can take that hill, okay? 1,300 feet, basically straight up. So, once it gets warm enough to ride over there, because I like to do that real early in the morning, you know, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning before everybody gets up. So I'm not bothered while I'm doing it. All right, guys, we're gonna be heading back. Alrighty, yay! Alright, we're at 5.09 miles on this thing. We'll see what the Relive app says when we get in the door. Alright, guys. We made it. Let me check the Relive app. It says 5.0 miles right on the nose, actually. See it? So let's just pause and finish that up. So we got our 5 miles in, and nothing happened. You know, there was no creaks, no breakdowns, no brake failures, no nothing. This little light works great, though. I like that thing. So yeah, I'm digging that. I like to have some kind of light on there where you're going, especially with a big fast thing like this. So yeah, absolutely. All right, guys, I'll put the stats all in there. Have a nice day.